What's going on? This is your brother, it's your uncle, it's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, and I am coming to you guys with another great video that I think is going to help you, specifically those of you that are really trying to leverage the benefits of landing pages, sites, social media accounts. Let's say you've gotten a brand new domain, marvintherealtor.com, something like that. Well, how will your domain be found in the world of all these billions and probably trillions of www domain names? Well, if you have a brand new www that you bought, otherwise known as a domain, or you have decided to rebrand yourself, I'm going to show you how to get your new website link on Google's radar quick, fast, and in a hurry. And on top of that, for free 99. You know I love free when at all possible. We pay when we need to, but we try to leverage as much of the free as possible. My only ask for this fair exchange, no robbery, is that if you are a real estate professional and you want to get super serious about your business, I want you to strongly consider partnership with me as your sponsor here at Real Brokerage. And I'll just tell you why. I promise I'll only take about 15 seconds to talk about it. For one, the economics work for virtually every agent. You don't pay anything per month. The only time you pay is when you have a transaction, and it's only $250 for your first 3 transactions. That's it. If you don't have a deal for a year, 2 years, 3 years, hopefully that's not the case, you don't pay anything to the brokerage. The brokerage will maintain your license for as long as you want that partnership. 2, the splits here are 85-15, meaning you keep 85% of the pie, Real only gets 15. Lastly, the caps here at Real are some of the lowest in the industry. $12,000 is the only, was that my timer? That was my timer, okay. So $12,000 is the only cap that you pay to this particular brokerage. So I want you to really just consider a partnership with me. Just shoot me an email, info@soldbymarvin.com if you're interested in talking about what alignment looks like, or click the link in the first pinned comment. It's a little bit more than 15 minutes, but it's up 15 seconds, but it's all good. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen right now. I want you guys to add this to your bookmark, like right now, for sure. You better start making sure that your digital territory is seen and recognized by Google. And it's very easy to do this. All you gotta do is go to Google, of course, and then you'll type in Google Search Console. What this is how Google will find your specific website. They have to do what's called indexing, meaning that whenever you have a brand new website or you change brands and you're now wanting to send people to a different website, you have to let Google know why that you have this in the world, so that they can crawl it, so that it can start to show up on search engines. I did this for one of my domains, and I haven't even fully launched it yet, and it's already got like 300 visits so far because I've indexed it. So as soon as you type this in Google Search Console, it'll ask you to start now. Of course, you will need a Gmail account in order to pull this up. And once you are, and this is the back end of my search console, I got a few domains that I run and manage. What you will do essentially is, if you want your website to start being pulled up on Google when people Google you, you have to add it to your search console portfolio. So all you got to do when you go to a place like this, Google Search Console, is you will click the URL inspection. And then let me see if I can do this here quickly. I just got to unsure, that way I don't show you guys something that y'all ain't supposed to see. But all you need to do is go to, so you'll click on the search property, and then on the left hand side of the screen, and then you will click where it says add a property. Let me show y'all that right now. It's on the left hand side of the screen, so you'll see it. I just had to, for privacy purposes, you'll click the left hand side here, and then you'll click where it says add a property. Then all you need to do is type in the domain that you want Google to start crawling. And in this case, I have several websites linked to different counties here in Atlanta, Georgia. One of the largest counties in Atlanta, Georgia is a county called Gwinnett County. So I created a domain name called movetogwinnett.com. And what you'll do is, if you have a GoDaddy account, so I suggest you buy your domain name first. I like GoDaddy. It's very cheap to get a domain name for like $9. And GoDaddy talks very well to a lot of these other websites, specifically websites like this. So I type in that domain name here. I click continue. It's going to verify that I own it. And then here it's asking me to confirm that I do own that domain name. And then there will be a verification process that will pop up here because I've already verified it. That's why I got this message here. But once you click that you want to verify it, what it will do is then it will have you log into your GoDaddy.com from this website. And then as soon as you have verified your ownership that you own the domain, and all you need to do is literally just log into your GoDaddy when it pops up here on this page. Now your property is going to start getting analyzed by Google, and you'll be able to start tracking the performance, how many views you're getting, all that jazz. Since I just did it, it's saying here that it's processing the data, so it'll ask me to check back in a day or two. So I'll come back to this, but this is something that you want to make sure, especially those of you that have brands that you are trying to establish for yourself, to direct people, whether it's soldbymarvin.com in my case. It could be any number of domain names that you have, but you got to make sure that you have done the part on the due diligence side on the back end to make sure that your domain name is in fact crawling in Google servers, and that they're aware of it, and that they are now going to help market your website for you when people Google your name. So I hope this is something that helps. This will be kind of a quick video, just try to get you guys out of here in under 7 minutes. But this is kind of some of the stuff that I teach agents and other agents here at Real Brokerage. We show people how to do more business leveraging the power of social media, leveraging the power of platforms like this, YouTube, and other sources that are digitally ways that you're able to market yourself 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Like I said, I've already got a couple hundred hits on this particular domain name, and I hadn't even crawled it yet. So I can only imagine that now that I've submitted it for crawling to Google servers, because I have a really good keyword, which is one of the counties here in Atlanta, Georgia, Gwinnett, now people are going to, when they're looking for stuff specific to that county, they're going to see my domain name, and my domain name will point people to my website, my landing page. Let me just show you guys the website here just so you can see it. And it looks very, very professional, very demure, if you will, very nice. And it's really just my CRM. It's the back end of my CRM. Of course, it's got the real branding, but I built this for free within my Lofty CRM. So the CRM I pay $40 for, but you can create unlimited landing pages. So now when a person is interested in moving to the specific county, they can start searching homes here. I've got some nice, Atlanta, Tyler Perry stuff here, of course. And I also blog a little bit, so I've been doing that as well. I had some stuff that I posted for Black History Month happening here in Atlanta. And also offering clients a free relocation guide. So when they click this, get a free relocation guide, this is something that I generated in Canva. And when they click this, they have to provide me with their name and email address. So as soon as they do that, that's going to add them as a prospect in my database system. They're going to get the payoff that they're looking for, which of course is a free relocation guide. And it turns into a really cool thing that I just follow up with them, make sure that they got their free relocation guide. And then I start the process of asking, hey, is there something that you need assistance with related to purchasing property or potentially relocating down here to Georgia? This is the kind of stuff that all of the high producing agents that are out there, they don't share this information. They make it look like they are complete gurus and that they don't leverage resources like this, or they crash out and spend a whole bunch of money on leads. They just throw spaghetti at the wall and just try to see what sticks. But I want you all watching my videos to be the most tactical, strategic agents that are out there, leveraging the power of free, making sure that your domain name is very easy to remember. One of my good friends and business partners, Mr. Khalid Aleem, he's an agent here with Real. He has an amazing website. I want to brag on him real quick because he's doing some amazing things on the real estate front. but he has a very easy, let me see if I can go to my Instagram right now so you guys can see it. He has a really straightforward domain name that he uses that I think is super awesome and super tactical, because what it does is it allows people to connect with him instantaneously. His domain name is very easy to remember. Give him a follow, let him know you watch this video. Mr. Khaled Nathan Aleem, good dude out of Philadelphia. He is my Philadelphia business partner. And on each of his videos, let's just go to one of them right here. So this is one of his videos. He uses the domain name fundmykeys.com. And as you see here, I'm gonna see if I can play a few seconds of it.
End of this video, where I'll give you the information how to register to see how you can buy a home for little to no money down.
So I love that he's doing what I like to call fulfilling the promise. So he's telling individuals that are watching his home tour, he's doing a very fast home tour video, which is great because it keeps people's attention. And all he's doing when he's talking in the video is explaining how if a person is ready to own a home like this, that he can help them get down payment assistance with that free money, if you will, by going to his domain name of fundmykeys.com. So if I were to go to fundmykeys.com, that takes me to his domain page, and he was okay with me sharing this is connected to his CRM. So when clients go to fundmykeys.com, they enter in their name, email address, and telephone number. It's a very straightforward, no frills website. It's just exactly the payoff that when people were watching his home tour video a moment ago and wanted to get information about down payment assistance, he is directing them to this website. Do you qualify for down payment assistance? Please provide your correct information to get the money survey. Most buyers are eligible. Very easy, very straightforward. It's got his contact information on the top right corner. Khaled, Philly's home specialist, his telephone number, and his email address. So if you're an agent in the Philadelphia market and you want to get better, get sharper, get faster, reach out to Khaled. He is my business partner. He's the guy that any agent that wants to do more business in the Philadelphia market and the East Coast in general, I connect them with Khaled because he's doing great things on social media, and he has his domain name crawled by Google. So anybody that's looking for down payment assistance in the Philadelphia area or the Pennsylvania state area are going to also find him as well. He's done a ton of business because he's leveraging the power of social media. He's leveraging the power of places like Google, and he's making sure that his domain name is easy to remember, fundmykeys.com, very straightforward, and it's crawling on Google. So let me know in the comments below if you're watching this video later on, what is your domain name? Drop it in the comments. I want to check the landing page that you currently have going on. If you have a very long email address like marvin@atlantageorgiarealtor.com, that's not going to be effective. That's too much to have to remember. If you have a very long domain name or a domain name with unique spelling, for example, like my last name is a very uniquely spelled last name. So I'm not going to give people marvinoria.com. I'm not going to do it because they're not going to know how to spell it, but they can simply go to soldbymarvin.com, and that's how they're going to find me. And you better believe that my website is crawling on Google, and it's very easy to remember, soldbymarvin.com. So make sure you are tinkering with your marketing strategy and making sure that clients and prospective prospects can find you. And let me know, drop your domain name in the comments of this video if you have one. If it's something that after watching this video, you go back and you go to GoDaddy and you register a more easy to remember domain name, leave it in the comments of this video. I want to check it out and I want to give you support, and I want to see us all crush. So let's get it. Let's get after it. Told you guys I'd get you out of here in under 15 minutes. And if you got value from this, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And as always, subscribe to the channel if you have watched more than one video. But before you go, YouTube thinks that you're going to enjoy one of these two videos right here. So make sure that you are tapped in with the other videos happening on the channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.